In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the user default currency in Salesforce, a useful guide for admin beginners. Let's dive straight into this process to help you customize your Salesforce environment efficiently. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Ensure that your credentials are ready and you're logging in with administrative privileges, as this task requires such access. Now, let's move on to enabling multiple currencies, a vital initial step if your organization operates across regions with different currencies. After logging in, locate the gear icon on the upper right corner of your Salesforce window. Click on it and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where you can manage and customize different settings. Once you're in the Setup area, head over to the Quick Find search bar, type in company information, and select it from the list of options that appear. On this page, there's a specific setting we need to activate, which is the Multiple Currencies feature. Look for the checkbox labeled Activate Multiple Currencies and make sure to tick it. Once you've done that, remember to click Save to commit this change. This activation allows Salesforce to handle transactions and data in various currencies, which is particularly useful for organizations with a global presence. With multiple currencies enabled, it's time to change the user default currency. Again, this requires administrative access, so make sure you're in the right account profile. From the main interface, navigate to Profile, then go to Settings. Here you'll find various options for personalizing the user experience. In the Settings menu, proceed to My Personal Information and then select Language and Time Zone. It's within this section that you can adjust individual user settings, including the default currency. There you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Default Currency. Click on this drop-down to see a list of available currencies your organization has enabled. Choose the desired currency that you want to set as default for the user. If you anticipate frequently using a particular currency, it's helpful to set it as default here. This ensures that all monetary values display in the preferred currency, streamlining both data entry and reporting processes. Once you've selected the appropriate currency, don't forget to save the user record. This step is crucial as it applies the changes you've implemented to the user's profile, ensuring their interactions with Salesforce reflect the chosen default currency. After saving, all selected changes should be in effect, optimizing the user experience to better meet individual or organizational needs. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the default currency for a user in Salesforce. It's a great way to enhance the utility and functionality of your Salesforce environment, especially when dealing with international operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Salesforce settings seamlessly.